Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about grid lines. All right, so here I got a project that I'm working on some cut downs, and I just want you to notice the grid lines as I zoom in. Notice they get smaller and smaller. This number down here to the right shows you what note is represented by one grid line. So right here, each grid line is a quarter note. If I zoom in, each is an eighth note. You can even click on it, and you can set it to what you want. So right now, it's set to quarter notes no matter how much I zoom in or out. Here it's set to 1 bar. And then you also have adaptive grids. So you can go to the widest, and it'll always be the widest possible, and the narrowest. Default setting is narrow. That's what I use, and I think it makes the most sense. If you go up here to options, you can see all of the shortcuts to switch it from grid to grid. So narrow grid is Command 1, Command 2, and then snap to grid is either checked on or off, and that's Command 4. So sometimes you'll accidentally hit Command 4 when you meant to hit Command E, and you find yourself in slip mode, similar to Pro Tools slip mode. You just hit Command 4, and that'll pop you right back to your grid mode. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.